toilet paper anymore. I have to use, let me show you. So hi everyone, hi happy people, how are you today? So as you should know, I am doing a daily video now about the coronavirus. So if you want to know what's happened in my life about this virus, just click on the link below and you will discover my first video about my testimony. So today is another day and I want to just speak to you about this situation, about what's happening in my life right now. So as you know, maybe you don't know, but I live in London, so in UK, and so even if I have been in contact with someone who died because of the coronavirus, I'm not able to go to the hospital because everywhere in the website and at the hospital they just recommend to stay at home, and I have to stay at home at least 40 days, and if I have after this day the symptoms, I will be able maybe to go to the hospital. Just to stay at home and wait. There have been over 11,000 deaths in the world, so it's a big situation, difficult time for everyone. So but I'm not here to speak about the bad things, okay? I'm not here to focus on all the silly things that people are doing because of the coronavirus, but I'm here to be a support for you. I'm here to comfort you. This day are all difficult for everyone, and I just believe that it is important to comfort everyone. So as you should know now, if you watch my first video, I'm probably have the coronavirus, but doesn't mean that I will be died because of that. Doesn't mean that you have the symptoms because I don't know anything yet. I have to wait. As I told you in the first video, I won't be afraid of this virus because in the world at the moment, the world is full of fear. The world is full of fear. People are afraid of dying. I understand that perfectly because obviously I don't want to die now. I know that you die one day, but I don't want to die right now because I still want to do a lot of things in my life. I want to have children. I want to go on holiday. Yes, I want to do a lot of things. So I decided to stay at my house and don't move. My family live in France, most of them, so I am actually alone, and it's not easy when you are alone. When you are alone, it's not easy, trust me. But I'm happy because you all have a fun and I have a fun, and I can contact my family, my friends, and share my feelings with them, share what I'm doing, and I think in this moment it is a great time, trust me guys, to be focused on the most important things, because in our world, in our normal world, if I can say that, we all spend most of the time at the workplace with our colleagues, but not with our family, not with our friends. Let's be focused on the positive things. This time is not great, I can't lie, but I have decided to be focused on the positive things. Now I don't have any excuse in my life, because before I used to say I don't have the time to do YouTube, I don't have the time to share my feelings, I don't have the time to create. I don't have any excuse. I know that in your life you want to do something. Maybe you want to start to, you love painting and you didn't have the time to paint. Maybe you want to start your own YouTube channel and you didn't have the time before to do it. But now you don't have any excuse. Everyone in our world have to stay at home, so you have this opportunity right now, the time right now to do the thing you love. If you want to read more books, you have the time to read more books. You have your time because you have to stay at home. So I just want to do this video just to say, okay, this time is not the great time, it's not really good, because because of the coronavirus, because of this chaotic situation. But guys, just be focused on the positive and stop going to the shop and seriously, I want to be serious with you. I don't have any toilet paper anymore. I have to use, let me show you. I'm going to use tissue now, this tissue, because I couldn't find toilet paper at the shop. I was like, I couldn't understand. I still don't understand why people go to the supermarket and buy toilet paper. Just please explain me in the comment why people doing that. Did you buy a lot of toilet paper? What are you going to do with that? Seriously. So bref, I love to say bref in French. Yeah, so this is the end of my video. If you like it, just like in the petit truc là, like it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as I told you in my previous video, I will share with you about my testimony about the coronavirus, what I'm doing in my daily life. Just if you want to know more, just subscribe, leave comments, like, and please share this video, because I know that you have in your family, in your zone, if I can say that, people who need this video, people who need to focus on the positive things. Please share this video and please leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what is your feelings, okay? Please. I need my toilet paper, so just don't buy a lot of toilet paper.